So I'm using a kitchen strainer, a sink strainer. The reason why I'm using this is because I want something that is big enough to let the juice go through and prevent the bigger chunks from going through. So the other ones I have are not appropriate. So this one lets the juice go through at the same time, keeps out the big chunks. I don't have anything that is big enough or small enough to do this apart from this one. So I do that. It takes time and effort. I just get out what I really need. And because my hair isn't long, so I don't really need too much. So I do that. It takes a while, but I just get the juice out and leave the rest of the onion. So yeah, I don't add cayenne pepper and all the other things that some people add because I just know this works, but I'm not really sure about putting cayenne pepper on my hair. But I know this works for moisture retention for my hair, and it really helps my hair to stay moisturized. I try to do it once in 2 weeks or once a week if I really have the time. But sometimes I've slipped and I haven't done it in about a month, and I notice that my hair starts getting very dry again. So I'm trying to do it regularly now, at least once a week. And then yeah. So after I've got enough, proceed to put that on my hair, and then yeah, that's it, guys. So this is the amount I've got for my hair. So I'm going to apply it to the back of my hair and to the front. So after I've applied it, then I just put on my bag. I tend to use a bag rather than a shower cap because then I throw it away. That saves me having to wash my shower cap because it really does have a very strong smell. But yes, it works for me. Makes my hair feel soft and moisturized. And then I'm going to carry on doing what I'm doing for the next 1 hour, and then I'm going to wash it off and then go about my day. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.